Adam Shelton, the captain's here, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos. Today we're talking about Algorand, okay? It's currently trading at 30 cents according to CoinMarketCap with a ranking of number 30. Now, Algorand is the world's most powerful and sustainability blockchain, right? Now, what's built on the Algorand? The future on Algorand. DeFi at global scale, rapidly and growing ecosystem, and a sub 5-second fatality, low fees. Now, when you look over here, you see the developer portal with the blockchain basics and the smart contracts and dApps. Now, Algorand is currently trading on several exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin. So it's been out there for a while and is very, very powerful when it comes to the blockchain and cryptocurrency. It's ranked number 30, but I can see this ranking a little bit higher in the future, mainly because it's sustainability on the blockchain, infrastructure, and a talented team that's behind Algorand. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Algorand is special to the blockchain. ClearCryptos is the place for your education. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.